Uh, uh, uh. uh, uh. Okay, so hey guys, thank you for coming here. This roadmap live streaming will start in 2 minutes from 10 p.m. JST, so 1 p.m. UTC. So please wait for a moment, please. So if you can't hear my voice clearly, please drop the comment here or tell me. So, okay. Oops. Okay. Okay, so okay, good. Thank you for your comment. Too loud or maybe that's fine. Okay. Okay, yeah. So some Japanese guys coming here and commented. Thank you. It's 10 p.m. JST. So this live streaming starts from like now. And hi everyone. Thank you for coming to this live streaming. So this video, of course, will be uploaded to the official YouTube channel as well. Actually, I just finished the roadmap live streaming in Japanese 1 hour ago until 9 p.m. So, and this is for the English community. Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Kengo, producer and marketer of My Crypto Heroes. So, the counting from 2019, this is the second time I've been appointed as a producer. So today, I will be talking about the roadmap of the first quarter in 2022. So there are two sections in this presentation. So first is looking back of the last quarter in 2021, and the second is the roadmap of the first quarter in 2022. So next 3 months until March. Yeah, I'm a little nervous because I'm not an English native speaker. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to mention me anytime in the official Discord or give me a comment in the YouTube. Okay, this is our first try to do the live streaming for the English community. So I appreciate it if you give me a lot of comments here and support me and make this live streaming more exciting. Okay, so let's dive into the roadmap. So firstly, let me look back in the last quarter. You know, we always did various kinds of updates in My Crypto Heroes. Okay, so we are really excited to finish all hero sale. Finally, we finished selling all 196 kinds of heroes in My Crypto Heroes. So as I announced, we will sell the collaboration IP hero in the future, but yeah, I am honored to finish the hero sale in 3 years since the launch in 2018. Also, we switched the staking reward program to Polygon network from Ethereum on the Uniswap. So you can transfer or trade your cryptocurrency without high gas fee on the Polygon network. So this update would be helpful to strengthen the liquidity. So we opened this program on the QuickSwap. And if you can pool your Matic or Ethereum and your MCH on the QuickSwap, you can participate in this staking reward program. the fifth round of the staking reward will open until March. So if you want to get more information, please visit our official Medium account. And do you know the most honored battle content in My Crypto Heroes? That is, of course, World Championship. Once happens a year. So in each class, you know, Red Dragon, Blue Dragon, Baby Dragon, and Dragon Egg, the winner gets the icon next to your like user ID on Arena, for example. So it's like proof of winner. So and it will have been put all the way to the end of 2022. And from now on, I will talking about the partnership with the other project. So we partnered up with TOF NFT. So TOF NFT is the world's #1 marketplace in the Binance Smart Chain, and they have started to integrate the Polygon mainnet. So MCH has been treated as the first game title on their marketplace after the integration of Polygon mainnet. So yeah, I hope we will get more exposure more globally. And we partnered up also with Fon, one of the biggest gaming guild in Japan. They have supported My Crypto Heroes and raised mining content by like encouraging their guild members to play the game. Oh, hi Blue Fox, thank you for your comment. So also, their guild is gathering many members by treating various kinds of blockchain games, like Pegaxi, for example. So I hope this partnership will increase the user amount of MCH. So it was maybe the biggest partnership in 2021. We partnered with MEXC Global, one of the largest exchanges. So MCHC is already listed on their international exchange, and now we are talking about the raise listing in the near future. Of course, I can't tell you the detail because it's really confidential information. So, but we fully agreed with raise listing as well with MEXC Global team. So please just wait for the announcement. Also, we are talking with some exchanges, for example. Of course, in the long term, we will commit to value up, so raise the value of both tokens, MCHC and raise token. Yeah, TOF adopted more than 20 chains, so maybe they started to integrate the layer 2, for example, optimism, for example. Okay, so the next is the partnership with Polygon Studios. We got some support from Polygon Studios to launch our new ecosystem called Raise Mining. Yeah, we can't tell all the details about this collaboration as well, but their team always supports us in raising the value of MCH assets, because the expansion of MCH or raise mining would be good things for Polygon team as well. So I can say we continue to cooperate with each other. Okay, so do you know this event called Community Quest? So Community Quest is the event where all users can participate and have the opportunity to get raise token. I already published the announcement on the official Medium. So the first topic is the lecture. So by publishing something, for example, such as writing an article or making a video or anything else, you can enter this event. I already have created a channel called Community Quest in the MCH official Discord. So if you have any questions about the Community Quest, feel free to mention me anytime there. Yeah, Blue Fox mentioned about the MCH Verse, and I will talk about MCH Verse later. Okay, so that's all about the looking back of the last quarter. From this slide, I will talk about the whole roadmap in the first quarter of 2022. Okay, firstly, let me tell you about our first vision. So we are aiming to create a game that is managed by both the dev team and the community. It's not that simple though, you know. For example, in traditional games, all game data is saved on the server that is managed by the publisher. So when the game ends, your time, passion, and money you put into the game are disappeared, you know. So also the technical progress in the game industry is moving day by day, and the game itself goes in and out of fashion, you know. So the game developers need to pay a lot of money to keep the game living regardless of its popularity. So yeah, that's why there are few games that live and keep the excitement in the long term. But in the blockchain game, we can store the NFT data in the blockchain, and that means when the game ends, the NFT data will be kept. Of course, if MCH finished, for example, right now, the value of MCH NFTs would be dropped and disappeared in the long term. However, as long as blockchain is active, for example, Polygon chain or Ethereum or MCH Verse, for example, all users can use its data, and the user can revive the blockchain game again. So, you know, it means that NFT holders have the incentive to activate the game because and of course make the community more excited and so on. And after the game ends, user can revive the game by yourselves again. So of course this is an extreme example, but this concept is a blockchain game. We have the money as a company right now, enough money as a company, of course, and definitely full commit to value up, but we can do it with users communities. This is the most different thing between the traditional games and the blockchain game. Okay, so in MCH, we want to leave asset to issuers and management of the game to the community in the future, and we will commit to the keep of the for example, infrastructure or development, and we believe that this is one of the final forms of the blockchain game. Okay, so to create the blockchain game, as I explained, we put these three concepts in 2022. Okay, first, we aim to be the world's #1 blockchain game through MicroBit Heroes raise mining content. And second, we make the basic system of the blockchain game and DAO. And third, we update the existing function in MicroBit Heroes. Oh, hey, this is Kasi and Barar. Thank you for coming. Okay, so to achieve these three topics, we put the higher priority to these functions. You can see texted in the orange, and the white ones will be updated in the future. But of course, I'll introduce them as well in the roadmap. Okay, firstly, this is the whole schedule of the development in the next quarter of. So from this slide, I will introduce each content and development for the details. Okay, so before that, it's just note, but you may know the movement of the blockchain game or DeFi or GameFi or something else is changing with dynamical speed. So we may need to integrate some new functions we have not known yet. So the roadmap subject to be changed. So this roadmap is So please understand that this roadmap is the basic plan for the next quarter. Yeah, I appreciate for your understanding. Okay, so the first topic is about the World Championship of 2022. Yep, same as last year, we will open the World Championship in 4 classes: Red, Blue, Baby, and Egg, Dragon Egg. So, but the battle type was 9 on 9 for the last World Championship. But for 2022, we are planning to add a new regulation called 3 on 3 with 3 teams. In the regulation of 3 on 3 with 3 teams, you need to set up 3 teams. The first player to win 2 battles will win. So we will finish developing it maybe in a half year and open the Duel Cup as a trial. Then we will open the governance, which is better for about the to know which is better for the World Championship. Okay, so also we will use the new governance system called winner's point governance. So in this governance model, 1 winner's point is treated by 1 voting power. Okay. So including the governance of the World Championship, but not limited to it, we want to share ideas from the community to improve MCH. So yeah, we will try to reveal our ideas to the community at first and improve it with the users' opinions. There is a governance forum in MCH. You can visit there from the page of the the governance page in MCH. So I appreciate if you guys will give many ideas to us with the same purpose of making MCH better with us. Okay, so next is about awakening value of soul. So you will be able to burn your soul by for raising the awakening value of another soul. So the more attributes or parameter tendencies match for the soul, the more awakening value will be raised. To get the aura and Jin that I will explain later, you need to raise your soul's awakening value a lot. So I guess that will value up of each soul and be the incentive to burn, raise, and get soul. Okay, maybe there is a time lag a bit to the comment and now. So if I can answer the question, okay, that's fine. Okay, so this is about the Jin schedule. So from this slide, I will talk about the Jin. So first, let me tell you that we decided that Jin should be implemented after gathering a lot of users and replica project, because Jin is something like core content in MCH for the core users. So to enjoy Jin content, you need to have various kinds of heroes and extensions. It's a little so harder for all users, So Jin content will be launched in around 3 or 4 months maybe. Yep. So Jin is the first NFT asset in MCH following the hero extension and land. So, we have Soul as an NFT, but that's for lazy mining content right now. To get Jin NFT, you need to convert your soul to that. So it's just under the discussion, but you can choose Jin skill, I explained later, which will be determined by attribute and status matching. You know, when you raise your soul's awakening value, you can choose from various skills. Okay, so here let's learn about what is Jin again here. So when you set Jin with your team, a new skill will happen when some turns passed or some rounds passed in the MCH battle. So Jin will be added as a new regulation to such as Colosseum or Duel Cup and Night Battle, for example, and you will be able to enjoy a new type of PvP content with Jin. So, and Jin is like the special move, including field effect, bug, so big buff or debuff or damage to the enemy. Yeah, so you can already try to use the beta version of Jin in Arena. So if you are interested, open the Arena with the Jin regulation. Okay, so in this slide, just let me introduce an idea of Jin called inheritance. As I told you, you can set your Jin to your team, and basically the effect will happen in the battle only for the team. In this concept, the Jin effect will be inherited to the next battle on 9-on-9. Then Jin skill will affect the whole battle, not once in the battle. So it will create a more like a strategic battle. Okay, and by integrating this idea into, for example, land battle, for example, the G5 battle would be more exciting. Now it's just an individual battle, but by using Jin and inheritance, battles will be more like profound, for example. Maybe this is the first time I talk about hero order. So this idea is really important for us and for you because it will raise the value of each soul and raise token. So we already wrote about the extension order in our white paper of the raise mining, but we think that maybe we need to highlight the main NFT, of course hero, earlier than extensions. That's why we decided to develop the hero order as soon as possible. Okay, so does Jin require a specific set of team like heroes related in history to each other, or will it be usable for? Jin will be available for every hero team, but you need to set the hero with the same attributes that written in the Jin requirement. So, for example, let's say that you have a total weapon Jin, and if you want to happen the Jin skill with that Jin, you need to set the 3 heroes who have the total weapon attributes, for example. Okay, so hero order is like buff for the hero as written in the slide. When you lock your soul to your hero order will be unlocked newly. So the important thing is that the hero order you can get depends on the parameter of soul you can lock. So also, the higher awaken value your locked soul has, the more choice or the stronger skills will be available in this new updating. Okay, so just what I want to tell you is soul will be one factor to strengthen the original hero NFT, you know? Okay, so the next is about the Soul Battle, one of the largest updates in this quarter. Okay, Soul Battle is PvP content using your soul. So Soul Battle is a more effective way to get raise token. So the battle type is like gym content in MCH itself. I will explain about this game content in the next slide. So the higher wins you get, the more raise you can claim. In Soul Battle, you need to set up 3 souls at first, but maybe you can participate in the Soul Battle content with only 1 soul, but 3 team is a basic number you need. Like Gym, users will battle against another user who has a similar rating. You can see the enemy's soul before the battle, so choose 1 team from your 3 teams and aim to win. So in the Soul Battle content, having a wide range of soul is a key factor to win, okay? Yeah, so this is a good question. Will there be any incentive in future to summon low tier souls? Yes, maybe you can know about it in the maybe latest slide, okay? Okay, let me continue to explain about the Soul Battle. I know some users don't have enough extensions in MCH Verse, so we will prepare legendary extension in the Soul Battle because this is the entry model for MCH. So the available extension will be switched per season, and all users will battle against each other under the same condition. So yeah, I believe that you will be able to enjoy this content as a test of your strengths as well. Okay, so let's summarize the Soul Battle. You will battle against another player's soul, and if you win, you can claim raise token by consuming the durability, like Node Soul. So, and the more wins you get, the more raise you can claim. Also, this will be a more effective way to get raise token than Node Soul. Maybe we will release the simple version of this Soul Battle in March. Okay, so we call it as a scholarship model, but next let me introduce the auto rental system of Soul. We will integrate the automatic rental system in MCH raise mining, so you can lend your soul to another user, and you don't need to find a user who wants to be your scholars. So just listing your soul to the market is fine. When your scholar claims raise token, the revenue will be automatically shared with you if you are the owner of soul. Okay, next is about the raise farming. This will be launched in maybe third quarter, but let me introduce the concept to you. You can farm raise token by using LP token of that. To participate in the raise farming, you firstly need to pool your raise and ether or raise and matic on QuickSwap on the Polygon mainnet. So then you can receive the LP token. So by staking the LP token you can get after providing the liquidity on QuickSwap, you will be able to start the farming. So the raise farming means if you lock your LP token to the contract, you can get the raise token from that contract. So it's called farming. In the later update, you will be able to lock your soul as well to the contract. So when you lock your soul with your LP token, you can get the like bonus rate, and it makes your farming more effective. Now we are discussing about this implementation in the governance forum. So if you are interested, please join us and yeah, create a good idea about it. Okay, so I guess MCH Verse is the most interesting part of this roadmap, and I already revealed in the logo both on Twitter and Discord, and I'm really excited to talk about this new blockchain project called MCH Verse. Yeah, are you ready? Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the concept of the MCH Verse. We have been aiming to expand the use case of MCH assets since its launch. This time, MCH Verse, fast and gas-free blockchain, will strongly supported to be realized. So, what is the goal of MCH Verse? In MCH Verse, users can create content easier than the other blockchains, such as Ethereum, and MCH assets are moving to an on-chain difference model. Now you need to deposit your NFT to the MCH gateway contract to play MCH. So it means use MCH assets in the micro heroes. So yes, strictly speaking, when you are playing MCH with your assets, you don't have NFTs in terms of the on-chain data. But in MCH Verse, you don't need to deposit your NFTs anywhere, so you can play MCH with holding your NFTs on-chain. And to create something using NFTs, the developer needs to see the on-chain data. It means that the developer can create a game easier than before, So this is about the first section. And the secondary, we are aiming to attract game developers to the MCH Verse. We will support the game developer to launch a game where users can use MCH Raise or MCH NFTs through grants of Raise and MCH. We already have published the announcement of MCH Verse in the official medium. So yeah, I will share it in the official medium, and please visit there to get more information. And yesterday, Oasis, what is so Oasis is a new blockchain project. So Oasis project published the announcement of its launch. The concept of Oasis is blockchain for the games, and MCH Verse is the first layer 2 of Oasis. Yeah, so yeah, do you know? How do you think of the logo of MCH Verse? It's really cool. Okay, so here's about what's Oasis. Based on the concept of blockchain for the games, Oasis architecture offers users a high-speed and zero gas-free experience by combining EVM compatible layer 1 and layer 2 technology solutions. To use your NFT assets on Ethereum or Polygon, you need to bridge your assets via Oasis as layer 1. Yeah, I'm honored that MCH will be the first layer 2 of Oasis. Okay, here's how we integrate the MCH Verse to my crypto heroes. Firstly, hero extension and GAM will be on-chain assets, so you can see your heroes and the extensions and GAM on your MetaMask. So then you can see the trade information or transferring as an on-chain data. Yeah, but as a legal issue in Japan, you can't bridge your GAM to Polygon and Ethereum because it means that the GAM will be the cryptocurrency. So the GAM will be used only on MCH Verse. Okay, so second, we will move each content to on-chain content as possible. I'm looking forward to prepare the environment where users can easily create a content that is linked with MCH. Okay, so as you can see in this slide, the yeah, maybe okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay, so let me add some information about MCH Verse here. You will have MCH NFTs on MCH Verse mainly, but land sector NFT will continue to exist only in Ethereum. Also, you can bridge your NFTs to both Ethereum and Polygon as before, so you can buy or sell NFTs on both networks. To use the assets you buy on Polygon, for example, on Polygon in MCH, you need to bridge your asset to MCH Verse, like you transfer the asset to MCH World right now. So I mean the word transfer to MCH World will be changed to bridge to MCH Verse. Okay, and also about raise mining content, it will continue to work on Polygon. So we already have started to talk with some gaming developers, IPs, and so on, and about creating something in MCH Verse. So in the part of that, Brave Frontier Heroes and My Crypto Saga, these titles are really famous in Japan, decided to join the MCH Verse. And at the same time of updating, we will newly add MCH Verse map to make user activities more visible. So as I told you, we are aiming to attract a lot of developers to MCH Verse, and through various kinds of content, we can strengthen the utility of the MCH assets. So this visible map, you can see the below of the bottom of this slide. The visible map will make user community more excited, and users can all activities in MCH Verse easily. Yeah, so in this update, it's just under the discussion, but whether or not you have a land sector will be very significant to enjoy the whole content in MCH Verse. Okay, so the question of the will other gaming titles join MCH Verse? It's difficult question, so I can't tell you about it clearly, but yeah, we are talking with 2 or 3 gaming developers right now. So yeah, I hope they can understand the MCH Verse vision, and they think they should join the MCH Verse. Okay, so yeah, it's already been about 40 minutes. that's it for the roadmap. I hope I can cover everything I want to say. Oh, oops. So yeah, but one more thing. What I want to tell you is that when MCH Verse will be launched, yeah, the answer is in 2 days. We will launch MCH Verse at 9 a.m. JST on Friday. So midnight on Friday UTC, right? Yeah, actually it was decided 3 hours ago. So it's really big announcement here. Yeah, so in this week, you will see how MCH Verse works and what is changed by the integrating the MCH Verse as a new blockchain. Of course, I'll announce this maintenance program later in text today. Okay, so yep, this week, so January 11th, right? So yeah, in 2 days, I hope there are no critical bugs in the maintenance. Yeah. Okay, so I want to pick up some questions from the comments, but maybe that's okay. So yep, if you have any questions, or of course I will upload this roadmap presentation to the official Medium. So yep, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me and mention me in the official Discord. Yep, Blue Fox, you are right. February 11th in this week. Okay, so thank you for coming here and giving us a lot of comments, and a lot of Japanese users coming here and drop the comments to make this presentation more exciting. Thank you very much. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to mention me in the official Discord or Twitter. I will answer anytime, anywhere. Okay, maybe the next roadmap live streaming will be on the maybe April, right? Okay, maybe April. So see you next time. Thank you for coming here. Bye.